Crimp. I crimped the edges of the pie dough for a beautiful effect. How did you finish the edge of the pie crust? I crimped them. Baste. During the baking process, I used melted butter to baste the bird. What ingredients did you use to baste the turkey? I substituted melted butter. Dissolve. Prior to adding the sugar to the dough, I dissolved it in warm water. What exactly did you do with the sugar? I used warm water to dissolve it. Score. I scored the top of the bread dough to form a design. Why did you score the bread dough? Create a pattern. Blend. I combined the wet and dry components and mixed them until smooth. How did you blend the ingredients? I mixed them till smooth. Roll. I rolled the dough into a ball before baking the bread. What shape did you make the dough into? I rolled it into a ball. Pour. I put the batter evenly into the cake pan. How did you add the batter to the pan? I poured it evenly. Spread. I spread the icing evenly on the cake. How did you apply the frosting? I distributed it evenly. Layer. I layered the cake with cream and fruit fillings. What have you done to the cake? I piled it with cream and berries. Drizzle. I drizzled caramel sauce on top of the brownies. What did you put on top of the brownies? I drizzled caramel sauce.